So you've been looking for someone to help with all of your leather furniture needs? We're so glad you found us. If you can fill out the form below, we'd be happy to get you a quote and a recommendation. Please include your first and last name, email address, phone number, full physical address, yes, including city and state is actually most helpful to us, as well as a description of what you are hoping for as a final result. It's totally okay if you don't know what the terminology is. That's our job. Just give us an idea like color loss or cat damage, and we'll address those details. The other thing that's a tremendous help to us is having photos of your project. You will not be able to send the form unless you include at least 2 images. So please make sure that one of those images is the entire piece or set in one photo, meaning we can see all the edges top to bottom and left to right on every piece. The second and third images can be more focused on an area of concern, as long as they're taken in focus from 2 to 3 feet away. If you do decide to include another image, we just ask that they be in a similar fashion and focus. Once those are attached to the form, punch that submit button, scroll to the top for the confirmation message received, and we'll be in touch soon. That's it, you did it, and we'll be doing our best to get an answer to you as quickly as possible.